Hello guys, so we are outside at the workshop and we are working on a new project. This is the Revan Helmet. Now Revan has been one of my all-time favourite expanded universe characters, and when I was a kid I made a clay mask of Revan, and they recently updated his character a little bit where they gave him like an actual helmet instead of just the faceplate. And if you guys don't know, Revan's mask was actually a Mandalorian mask that he got in the Mandalorian Wars, and he wore it for his time during the Mandalorian Wars while he fought the Mandalorians, and also when he became a Sith as well, and he wore it as a symbol of hope and also of terror. So at the moment, all that I've done, it came off pretty clean, except for the obviously the seam line here. I printed it off in two pieces, the back dome and the front plate. And what I've done is I've covered it in some resin. As you can see, it's got a bit of a pinkish hue. So I covered it in some resin, some UV resin. Pop it outside and pretty much just let it cure. So it's basically just filled in all the seam lines and everything else, which is really helpful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it down with my palm sander, and then going to do a coat of primer over it, and then it's ready to go. There's also the inside of it as well. It came off pretty clean, and it does fit over my head quite nicely, which is quite cool. So I am quite excited to get this going. pretty happy with how that is looking now. So what I'm going to do is just cover it in a bit of filler, and then I can see kind of where I need to re-resin some parts if needed. So I'm going to go quickly do that, and we'll get back later.